Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Bytes. In this session, I'll explain you about different sorting techniques in Java. So let's get started. From coding perspective, following are the sorting techniques in Java. One, the traditional sorting style using collection class. Second, using comparator and comparable interfaces. Third, sorting in maps. Let's see one by one. So the first one is using collection classes. Here I have created a simple Java project, sorting, and in the source folder I have created a package named basic and the file name is sort.java. So this is a very simple one, guys. So I have taken a list, number list, and I'm doing collection.sort, passing the list as the argument. Here I'm printing the number list using stream API I'm sorry, list dot stream for each, and this lambda function prints each and every element. Now to sort the list in reverse order, we can use collection dot sort. We can pass the list as the first argument, and second argument should be the comparator has a static method reverse order. We can use that, and the list is sorted in a reverse order. Then the next step is we are printing the elements of the list. Let's run the program. Here you go. First, the list is printed in ascending order. Then when we are reversing, the first list is reversed in descending order.